Until it's a dim down a notch. Cause I can name some things that I'm gon' do. Wow, wow, wow.
Hi guys, thank you for joining me today. I wanted to show you how I deep condition my toddler's hair today. Maybe it can help you out in the future. Make sure you subscribe and like. I decided to start off with the High Porosity Moisture Seal Mask by ShanaJRaymore on her dry hair, and I comb it through. She's giving me such a problem here. I don't know why, but we usually don't go through this. But yeah, just comb it through, make sure I get all over, detangle ever so gently, and life with a toddler. Then we attempt to cover the hair, but you know, life with a toddler again. She's not having it. We tried for at least a few moments to have that on so it catches some of the heat and really deep moisturizes her hair. But if you can't, oh well, skip this step. Oh, there we go. With some of the conditioner still in there, as I'm rinsing it out, I do try to still comb through it. I am being gentle and going from the end up, but of course she's just not quite having it. Then I go in with the Moisture Retention Shampoo by ShanaJRaymore. I love this shampoo for our hair. It's moisturizing and even a little bit detangling. And I just scrub it through real quick just to go through her hair. And sorry for the blurriness, but I just go through her hair and scrub through it real quick and then rinse it out. Last part, I go through it with the conditioner for the same line of ShanaJRaymore, and I go through it. By this point, after all the wet and conditioned combing I went through, her hair is nice and detangled, so this is literally just the last step for conditioner, and we're all good to go here. This is her natural hair texture when it's wet, and she's having a fit, of course, because she's not feeling the camera today, I guess. I tried the Cantu Shea Butter Daily Moisturizer, but I didn't like the way it felt on her hair, so I just went back in and topped it off with some of the restorative conditioner from ShanaJRaymore that I used in her hair before, and just like left it in and added a little bit of coconut oil over top of it so that her hair would be moisturized underneath. Last bit of detangling, and now it's ready to be styled in the way that I like. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with it, but when I do, I will link the video above.